All right, are we okay? Ha, guys. All right. This is the first song I ever wrote on guitar. Yeah, yeah. All right.
Yeah.
This is called We Both Burn. Or, yeah, that one. Could say I let you go, but I lied. Could say I let you breathe, but I don't. Tugging that rope, I know you don't hold anymore. Maybe this game is old and that's why. And that is why. We both burn, playing with the fire, staring at the monsters inside. We both run. I'm reaching for your dark night, searching for an answer. Will I ever be enough? Maybe last time we both lied. Maybe we didn't want to say the truth, that we were in love. And true love, who is to say? Who is to say? We both run, reaching for the fire, searching for the monsters inside. We both run, reaching for your dark night, searching for the answer. Will I ever be enough? 'Cause I need to know, I need to know if you're the one. You gotta let me know. I'm still waiting for you. I'm still searching for love. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, yeah.